Today we will be installing an above ground pool in our front yard. For the past few weeks it's been getting extremely hot with the heat index in the 90s or low hundreds pretty consistently, and we've wanted a pool for a long time and decided that this was a great time to get it. I'm going to be pretty busy installing the pool, so I'll try and record as best as I can. This is where we're going to put the pool. It's this flat spot in front of our house. We've done most of the grading, but my dad just has a little bit more smoothing to do on it with the tractor. So we brought the pool back home, and now what we're going to do is just basically smooth out the spot that we graded with the tractor and get the large rocks and, sticks and other debris out of the way. We had to put some dirt down over the gravel so that the gravel would not damage the pool liner. I didn't get a video of that, but that took all day yesterday, and now we just have a few more rocks to pick out of it, and then we're going to set the pool up. So we got the pool set up, and now we're just slowly filling it up. This is gonna take forever to fill up, and we just gotta fill it up some and work the wrinkles out, and then fill it up some more and work the wrinkles out, and then eventually it will be filled up.
One eternity later.
Well, the pool is almost completely full. We have our heat pump water filling it up. We've probably been filling it for 15 hours or something like that. Not sure exactly. It's about 2 feet deep now, and we've been swimming in it, and it's pretty fun. It is kind of cold right now, but over the summer it's probably warm up quickly. We're gonna add a deck over there and maybe a changing room and something to cover this pool pump, but this is all for this video. This is where the litter of kittens lives, right in this well house. They live back in that corner. You can't really see them very good, but oh wait, hold on. They're back there, sleeping on that ledge. Here's one right here. Hey. This is the friendliest one. And then there's another one back there.